Okay guys, this is seems to be a common problem with all these French Samsung door fridges. Basically, get this mullion, whatever it's called, the spring's gone in it. So when you shut the door, it doesn't latch anymore. Anyway, you can't order the spring from Samsung. And they want you to replace this entire thing, which is over $150. So I got some springs on eBay. And I'm going to change it now and show you that it will work. Here's the model number for this one, but I have a feeling that most of them are very similar. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to remove these two screws here, okay? Then what you want to do is these tabs here and here, you want to just basically put upward pressure and it will slide off. Once you have it lifted off, you expose a wire here, and then what you're going to do is here in the clip, you're going to remove the clip. Here I have it removed from the door. You can see that it's a quick connection clip, and it's just very easily removed. Now if you look, you'll see some tabs. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 of them. Okay, the way you want to start at one end. And you're basically going to use a putty knife or a knife, and you're going to pop these open. So I'm going to do that now. Once you have it unclipped, pull it apart here, and what you're going to find is at the bottom here there's a little piece right here. You can see that there's supposed to be a spring here. This controls this mechanism here. Here's the spring, the replacement. Basically you slip it underneath, okay, and then put it in there like that, and then you can see, nice and there you can see it's back together. And then let's put it back in the fridge. Clip it back in. Push it back up into the hole. Okay. And then these tabs, line them up. See this? Slide on. That one slides on as well. Go. Now, let's see if this works. There you go. And here's the spring again. I bought two actually because I think it will break again. I just think it's probably undersized. So I'll put the link here for where I got this. And don't buy Samsung next time.